Leah, I think the pigeon should be allowed to drive the bus.
Can't.
Why not?
That's allowed for the bus driver. It's only allowed for a bus driver.
Could the pigeon drive a car?
Not a truck.
What about a truck?
No, not a truck.
Could a pigeon... Maybe a pigeon could fly an airplane if he learned how.
He can't.
Why not?
I gotta do one more.
Could the pigeon ride a bike?
Nope.
What's the pigeon allowed to do?
Just walk.
Could he fly? He flies. Pigeons fly.
Pigeon can't fly yet.
I see pigeons fly.
Me too, but not in the book.
On the book?
Nah, not in Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus.
I think we should let the pigeon drive the bus.
He can't.
But he really wanted to.
I know, just in the book he wanted to.
Well, what if you were walking down the street and a pigeon came up to you and said, I want to drive a bus? Would you let him?
No. I would.
What if he offered you $5?
No.
What if he said he'd be your best friend?
No.
What if he was going to give you candy?
Yuck!
No? You don't take candy from pigeons?
Nah. Because they're too pesky.
Pesty?
Pesky fly.
I think this pigeon's getting a bum rap. It's getting a raw deal.
Daddy, there's an behind my left shoulder, and I can't reach it.
You got an itch? You need some help?
So my left, right there. My left is right. This still harder. Still harder.
Okay, Leah. You're all good.
Thanks.
You're welcome.